How to find saved videos on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Saved. Here, you can find all your saved posts, collections, and more. Open any post to view them. You can also create a new collection for your saved posts from here. Tap on Create a New Collection above. Here, give your collection a name and then tap on Create at the top right corner. You can always unsave the posts from here if you want. This gives you more control over your experience on the platform. Following these steps, you can easily find saved videos on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.